Man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bags. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to warrant my granted justice in crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your stuff. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why I rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they kill. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive. Back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I needed. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say, there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bags. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you
Hello everyone, hope you're good. I can see many of you here. Nice to see you all, guys. How are you today? How's your Monday? How's everyone? Yeah, I know. I fixed it quickly. So, let me know. Hola Sebastián, ¿cómo estás? You're living in Spain, Sebastián, or just you talk Spanish? How are you all? Amel, SGT. Yeah, ready to make some money, guys. Hope you're good. Everything is good with you. Hey, JD. Hello. See, in Murcia, okay, nice. Not far from Barcelona. Yeah, so tell me, guys, can you hear me clearly? Everything is fine? The screen, the audio from your side. Tampa, nice to see you. Leroy, Victor. Buongiorno, it's Italian. So guys, can you see clear the charts and the audio is fine? Cape Town, okay. Nice. Philadelphia as well. So ready, guys, for some charting and technical analysis today. We have Patrick on the chat. He will offer you a lot of free VIP as always. So, as Patrick is saying, please do not forget to press like, hit the like to start our webinar, and we will provide you with free VIP as well as each week. So let's hit some likes before starting this webinar, and then we will start with some commodities. Azer 14, go ahead. Yeah, we'll start. Did you hit the like button? Do not forget, guys, for those who's not able to send messages on the live chat, they need to subscribe. It takes just 1 minute. Once you subscribe, then you will be able to send us messages on the live chat. So just subscribe, and then you will be able to chat with us on this video. So what we will do first is we will start with commodities and with gold. Okay, so we will start with gold. Here we have the XAUD USD. What we have is that the market is bouncing around this level here. Can you see it, guys? Can you see this level, which is the 1765 USD? What happened is that the market is making a small movement to the downside, but it's too early to consider a sell position. Okay, hello Darlington. So what I will do is I will wait for more candlesticks below this level before considering a sell position, because this might be a fake breakout. Okay, for those who are familiar with our live webinar, you know that trading near a key level, support or resistance, it is little bit risky. So we might see a move lower, and then the market might rebound all the way up till 1790. I'm little bit concerned about this breakout. It might be a fake one. If I go on the lower time frame, you can see it's not an ideal correction. So this is not a correction to see a move to the downside. Okay, it's like consolidation, and this might lead to a move all the way up until the 1790. Cheers from Bulgaria. Yeah, nice to see you all, guys, from all over the world. Okay, let's continue with some US oil. I will look at the US oil. So the US oil, what's happening on the US oil? US oil is trading between those two levels, which are 72.70 and the 70.16. So the market managed to break this structure. We have kind of a wedge, you can see it like this, and made a move to the upside until 72.65, and this might be a correction to move again to the upside and testing this area, which is 72.70. So if this holds and there is a relevant price action, we might see it most probably 72.65. So I am bullish on the US oil. Okay. Hey guys, do not forget to hit the like button. I can see just 30. We need much more than this. Last week you did better, guys. Just hit the like button and then will be great for us. So next I will talk a little bit about the dollar and then move to the Euro USD. Hey Axis. So the dollar USD last week made a huge move to the upside. You can see it here. So impulse, correction, and then impulse. But today it is stuck around this level. Okay, you can see that I already prepared this chart analysis. Here we have a strong area, okay, which is the 93.42. So the market might start to move to the downside to test again the 93.10 USD. So now there might be a retest or a correction, and when this correction happens, then we might see the euro rallying, going to the upside. And now if I go on the euro, you can see that it is bouncing on the daily support that we have drawn here. So if I go on the lower time frame, you can see that the euro USD, it started to move to the upside. Okay, so since the dollar was in a clear uptrend last week, the Euro USD last week was tumbling. It was crushed by the dollar, unfortunately. Okay, so the market was moving to the downside, and now the US dollar is making some correction to the downside. The euro might go up until the 1.1761. Okay, so this is when it comes to the Euro USD. So the dollar is going to the downside, the euro might rally. Whenever you need to trade the Forex market, do not forget to look first at the dollar index. This is a, let's say, a signal how the most probably the main pairs will move. So if you know the dollar how might move, you will be able to know how the euro will move, how the GBP USD will move. So every main pair that have USD as a quote currency, you will be able to guess how most probably the market will move. Okay, you can see that everything tumbled when the dollar was moving to the upside last week. Okay, gold, we just talked about gold like 1 minute ago. Don't be late, man. Don't be late next time. Don't be late. So we will do gold if we have enough time, for sure, at the end of this session. Do not forget that at the end of this session we will have 10 to 15 minutes for you to send us your desired asset, and we will analyze them live. Okay, hello Cedric, nice to see you here. So guys, for those who are not subscriber in this channel, do not forget to subscribe. It takes just 1 second, and then you will be able to interact with us, sending us your point of view about a certain asset, or if you want us to analyze your desired asset. Okay, so what we will do next is seeing the crypto market. I don't know if some of you here are trading the crypto, but today the crypto market suffered, honestly. We have a big move to the downside. Let's see what's happening on the crypto market. So this is the BTC USDT, guys. You know that BTC is the mother of all coins. It's like the dollar in the currencies. When BTC tumble, everything as a coin will tumble. It will follow. Some few coins will rally, okay? These are rare, but major coins or all the altcoins will tumble after Bitcoin tumbles. So here we have a quick analysis on the Bitcoin to explain you why this happened. So the market, if we look at the Bitcoin, was trading inside, we can say here we have a bullish channel. Here everyone was happy. Okay, we have higher highs, impulse correction, consolidation, and then move to the upside. And then suddenly we had a big drop all the way down. If you want to know why we have this big drop, it's easy. Why? Because we have a strong resistance here. We have a relevant area here. You can see it. Okay, so there was sell positions or sell orders here that led to big move to the downside. And since this structure was broken, a major one, this major one was broken, then the market moved again to the downside and tested this area, which is the 44k. So it made small consolidation. We saw that the market will rally again, and then it tumbled to the downside. So we have a strong area here. Okay, we have a strong area here, which is the 44k, that the BTC is held by this area. So the BTC is stuck around this area, but for me now I can see the BTC is little bit bearish. We have a impulse correction, and this is a beginning of an impulse. If this area was broken and we can see many daily bars below it, then we might see the BTC tumbling again all the way to this level, which is 37k. Okay, also there is a strong support here, sorry. Okay, so it might go down until the 39 or 40k. So here we have impulse correction, impulse all the way down until the 39k. If we use the Fibonacci extension, it might give us an idea where it might end this impulse. Let me use the impulse, the Fibonacci extension. So I take the measure from the beginning to the end of this impulse until the end of the correction. So you can see it's 100% around this level here. So this might end around the 39k. Okay, hope I am wrong, but this is what most probably will happen for the BTC. Nobody knows. At the end, this is a probabilistic game, as we always say. Okay, let's see how many people are discussing about, I don't know, they are USDCHF. It's okay, guys, I will tell you when we need your desired asset. It's too early for now. Just when I will tell you, please provide us with your desired asset, then start to throw them at us. Okay, hello Mentalitab, I don't know how to pronounce it. Morning Lukman. Okay, hello everyone, hope you're good. Kimesha, always here as well, nice to see you again. So we will go for now another coin, which is a main one, the ETH. ETH also is forming a kind of head and shoulders inverse one. This is a inverse head and shoulders here, like this, and like this. So the market managed to break this level here, which is 3,339, made a move to the downside, correction, and then it is stuck around this level here. So as I always say, if you master to know how to put your levels, is more than enough to know how most probably the market will move. So now you understand why the ETH is stuck around this level. If this market, if this level didn't hold, then we have a next move to the downside. The next move might be around, first we have an area here, like I can say the area should be around this, like this. If this was broken and closed below it, then we can see the ETH around the 2,346 USDT, unfortunately. So today the crypto market is bearish. we have a reversal once it reached this level, and we might see the market going to the downside. Unfortunately, this is what's happening now for the crypto market. Okay, so now guys, we still have 15 minutes. It's your turn to provide us with your desired asset to analyze them now. Okay, so start to throw us your desired asset to analyze them. And do not forget to make us a favor by clicking the like button. Like and share. It is also helpful if you can share our video on any social media account, will be good for us. Okay, so yeah, I will wait for your desired asset. So first we have Australian CHF with mentally tab. Let's go for the Australian CHF. What we have? Done. Yeah, I know. Thank you, man. Thank you for every person that hit us with a like button. So Australian CHF, which is here. What we have for the Australian CHF? So as you can see, the market is stuck around this level here. I will start on the higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, we have an impulse. This is an impulse. This is a big correction, and then the market couldn't close below it. So we might see the Australian CHF rallying to the upside again. Let me remove this. Rallying up again until this level here. Okay, but do not buy it before breaking this level. I will buy it around this and then all the way up until this 0.6782. okay, it's not wise to buy it now. This is a very bearish candlestick. Okay, I don't like it, so it's too early to buy it. Okay, little by little guys, so I can have time to read your desired asset. Australian CHF. So after Australian CHF we have New Zealand JPY for sure. Let me go on the New Zealand JPY. Okay, this is New Zealand JPY. Just one sec please. Okay, New Zealand JPY. As you can see guys, the New Zealand JPY here managed to break this area, which is the 77.27, and it is stuck around this daily support level. If I go on the lower time frame, the market is starting to move to the upside, but it's too early to consider a buy position. We're still in a bearish market. Okay, so we're still in a bearish market. What I can see for the New Zealand JPY is testing again the 77.26, and it might drop again to the 76.79. So nothing important, it might range around this area here. Okay, if this happens, the consolidation, then we will have a big move either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, there is nothing important for the New Zealand JPY. Let me make, I think there is someone asking me about New Zealand USD. USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD reached a very strong resistance here. You can see it, and you can see the long wick to the upside. If we look at the lower time frame, we have impulse, correction, and then a big impulse to the upside. I might buy it here if there is a relevant price action. It might be a good idea to buy it around this level here. Okay, do not forget that our RRR is minimum 2 to 1. Minimum. Okay, but I will wait for some candlestick around this level here. USD CAD, gold. We did it. We'll do it again later. USD JPY. USD JPY was moving to the downside. As you can see, it is making some kind of a consolidation, which is a little bit ugly. It's not a beautiful one. Okay, so what we will do is we will wait until the market close below this level 109.68. so I need to see this daily candlestick closing below this 169 and might selling all the way down until the 109.36. okay, let me go on the lower time frame to see what's happening. You can see, so the market, it is heading around this level here, which is 109.36. yeah, it is might going all the way down until this area here. This is a small correction and then a move all the way down until 109.35. USD CAD, gold, we did it. Australian USD overnight. Yeah, we did USD CAD. May you tell us what indicator you use to draw the levels? The only indicator I use for these levels are my eyes and just my eyes. Okay, till now. I don't know if with time I will try to automate these things or how do I draw my levels, but for now I use just my eyes. I am an old-fashioned trader. Hey Pat, can you send me free access to VIP? Nice one, access. GBP CHF possible, okay. And gold. Okay, let me do Australian USD. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, do not forget. Australian US dollar. So if the dollar, we have seen it going to the downside as it's happening now. Look what is doing, a big move to the downside. So the Australian dollar logically should rally. Old fashioned and old. I'm not old, man. Pat, I'm not old. I'm just 32 years old, man. No way. I'm 32. I'm just 32. I don't think I am old. So the Australian US dollar might move to the upside. You can see, although I don't advise you to buy because the pressure is to the downside. We have a sell pressure. You can see. So it is not wise now to buy. I will buy the Australian USD around this level here. Okay, so if I see the Australian dollar making a move to the higher or to the upside, I might consider to buy it around this level here all the way up until the next key level. 73.45. Who's on the joke? He did the poll. He did. Okay, I win this poll. That's good. Oh my god. Answer this poll, guys, to see who's older. Okay, so last one, someone asked me about Australian USD. We have GBP CHF. Let's talk about GBP CHF. I'm winning back, by the way, this poll. So, GBP CHF, you can see made a big move to the downside. So here, if we look at the lower time frame, the market is stuck around the 27.12 USD. Okay, so what I see is the market might make a fake breakout here and rally again, but for now I will wait. It's not wise to sell, neither to buy. Why not to sell? Because we are trading against the main direction of the market. So the main direction is to the upside. It's not wise to sell now. And why I will not buy? Because around this level here you will see a lot of fake breakouts. So it will be tough to trade and you will manage, or you will face lot of stop loss hunt. Okay, so what I will do, see how this daily bar will, let's say, close above or below it, and then go on the lower time frame to see a common pattern, something that I use in my trading strategy, such as bullish flag, bullish pennant, and etc., and buy or sell. But for now, it is not a good idea neither to sell nor to buy. Okay, so you should have all the time a system that you will use whenever you need to enter a trade. Okay, so what's next? Last time was GBP CHF. We did GBP CHF. What's next? What's next? Oh, it's tougher. Okay, so what I will do is, again, gold. Someone asked about gold. Let's do gold. I was talking about the gold. The gold made a big move to the downside. So we have impulse, correction impulse. But here there is a strong area. I do not advise you to sell, especially on the lower time frame. I can see that there is, let's say it's not a correction. This is a beginning of a reversal. So this might lead to a fake breakout, and the market could go up again until 1789. This is not a good correction. I didn't like the formation of these candlesticks. Okay, so it might lead to a double bottom neckline, and the market rally again until 1790. Any other asset that you would like me to analyze, guys? Just to remind you, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come on, guys, come on, come on, come on. Where is the Monday energy? Choose your desired asset and throw it on the live chat. Throw it now. Come on. Who want me to analyze any asset? We still have 2 minutes. We choose one asset and then we'll finish this live webinar. Come on, guys. I just did gold now. Okay, I will take US 30. Someone asked for US 30. Nathan asked for US 30 and John. So I will do the US 30 and the silver. We spent the day doing the gold, it seems, guys. By the way, I lost the poll, so I am older than Pat. Oh my god, this is not real. This is not real, guys. So let's do US 30, although I do not trade this index. Let me try to find the US 30. 1 second, please, guys. I have it somewhere here. Okay, let me enter it. US 30. So someone asked me long time ago about the US 30. Oh my god, this is a bloodbath for the US stock market. What's happening? So as you can see, I already drew some lines here long time ago. So the market managed to break this wedge. We have a break of the structure, BOS. When we have this break of structure, expect a reversal, either to the upside or to the downside. But here, since we are in an uptrend, we have a BOS, so the market might reverse to the downside, and this is what happened. You can see big bearish candlesticks. So what's next for this US 30? We should look for a support where the market might hold. If I need to look at the US 30, we might see this index reaching this level here, which is 33,751. So if this and this is what most probably will happen. If this continue the move to the downside, 33,791 will be reached on the US 30. Okay, what's next? Oh my god, many of them. Okay, someone asked about silver. We'll do the silver. Silver. We'll do the silver. Let's do the silver. Commodities. Silver. Okay, the silver. Silver looks like the gold. It reached a bottom, which is here, 22.29. For me, I do not sell or buy now because we are on the edge of a strong key support. So impulse, correction, impulse. Now stuck around this level here. So the market is clearly bearish, but it arrived around this level here. So let's wait to see many daily bars formed to have a new opportunity. For now, I do not buy or sell. Okay, the market is stuck around this key level. I cannot say that you should sell or buy here. Guys, show us some likes please, and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's take some other assets quickly. Okay, Sam, I will take honestly Nikkei 225. I will do it. Okay, German or the DAX. Okay, I will take few of them and then we should end this live webinar. No man, do not buy it. It looks so bearish. So bearish. Leroy. Oh my god, lot of you here guys. I cannot deceive you all, but we'll spend all the day if I need to analyze your desired asset. Okay, so someone asked about Nikkei 225. I don't know if I have it here because it's I think this one. For whoever asked me about this asset, you're talking about this one. Let's see, because I'm not familiar that much about the indices. Okay, so let me know if this is what you're asking for. Oh yeah, this is it. Okay, so for me it looks really beautiful, huh? Now you're familiar guys with what is a correction. This is a very big correction, but at the end we can see that we have a breakout to the upside, which is really beautiful. Okay, so you can read the market easily. Impulse, correction, a long one. It takes a lot of time this to be built. This correction took around 197 days, so approximately half a year. Okay, so the market managed to break this area. We have a good area here, you can see it. Okay, let me make things clear. So we have a breakout of this correction, and then the market managed to rally again. So let me see if there is historical data. It seems it's breaking all-time high, which is this area. So next level, it cannot be predicted because there is no historical data. The market is breaking all-time highs. Okay, sorry, there is here. There is an area that we should consider, which is here. Boop, like this. Okay, for now the market is stuck around the previous high here, and if it managed to break the 13,740, we can see it moving all the way until 33,576. But since we're trading near a key level, I do not advise you to buy now, because here lot of fake breakouts will happen. Stop hunt. Big players are waiting for you here guys, waiting for all the retail traders. Avoid these levels. Wait few days to see how the candlestick will be formed, and then decide if you need to buy again. DAX, Emmanuel, I will not deceive you, I will do DAX. I will deceive some others, but I don't know, I will do some indices today because every time the indices guys ask about it, we are not doing it. So let me do DAX or German 40, DAX, indices, DAX 40. Let's go for the DAX Dutch 40. Oh my god, it seems all these indexes are tumbling. Okay, so what's next for the DAX? We have a strong area here, you should be aware of it, Emmanuel, and you will understand now why the market is stuck around here. For sure do not buy. This is so obvious because the market is so bearish. Okay, so you can see here the market started to do lower highs, and this is an indication that the market will reverse. So what's next is impulse, correction, and impulse. Here we need new candlesticks to be revealed to see if the market will rebound and start moving up again. If this happened, then this area would be a next one for the DAX. If this reversed to the upside, DAX might be seen again around the 15,455. Lot of likes, it will help us a lot, guys. Show us some show us some likes, please. Likes. GBP CAD. Someone asked about GBP CAD. Okay, the GBP CAD here. GBP CAD is stuck around two levels, which are 1.7564 and 1.7419 or 75. So what's next is we might see a movement like this inside those two ranges. Okay, the market is clearly moving to the upside. We have here impulse, this is a correction, we might see it again until 75.59. okay, so we're bullish on the GBP CAD, but watch out from the 75.60 level. Whew. Okay, so guys, we did as much as we can. Honestly, we did most of your desired asset quick market analysis. We will promise you we will add some new content in the coming weeks as well, but for now we will do this program, first market analysis and then your desired asset. We would like to thank you for being here and hitting the like button. We will see you next Monday 3 p.m. GMT time as always, and I will wish you happy day and happy trading as well. Take care and bye bye.